astral radiance Pokemon packs to open. Let's see what we get. Let's try the middle one first. Okay, let's get that Machamp. How's your day going? So we got Barbage. We got Slither, Eevee, Hagercross, Turdana, Cremano, Baconin, Energy, Overpool, Commando. No, oh. Let's see what we get in this next pack. Please, please. Okay, we got Oldfish, Buzzicon, Pucha, Gazbro, Yama, Gazzago. Ooh, a Mr. Rhyme. V. Energy, Kratos, Parasol, and Joy. Okay, let's see what we get in this one. We got Sobal, Nicklet, Pertale, Verdon, Hippopotamus, Diverfin, Bravery, Energy, Yana, Good Job Bug, and Megaton. A lot of these are repeats. We got a Clay, Quill, Perrin, Growlithe, Voltrobe, Rufflet. That's nice. Frank looks. It's not a Machamp, a Machoke, but that is a beautiful card. That's a beautiful card. Regsteel, Energy, Stephen Curry, Electroid, and Ginger's very rare. Thank you. Bye.